I just want everyone to know that I am staring at the Patrick Ta's makeup kit, and point of view is inside. No one had to do any convincing on that. It's in there.
Do you know why? Because I know where these are made, and I can confirm that they are amazing.
You're hearing it from the source. Okay, I want Patrick Ta to show you how he would prep my skin. Remember, he does some of the biggest names in the industry. He knows how to do a beat, and he knows how to perfectly prep. So he's gonna show you some of his techniques to get that perfect prep.
Let's do it. You guys, we are going to drench the skin so it's nice and prepped for my foundation. I'm using this foundation brush just to really glide the product on. It's super thin, so it's perfect for skin prep. I am obsessed with this product because, again, it just leaves your skin so glowy, and it just gives you that hydration without that thickness.
Did you expect it to be so thin when you first tried it?
I think I did, from seeing you like pour it out like on your hands. I'm very observant with that kind of stuff.
Yeah. I think a lot of people think because it's a milk that it's gonna be like thick, but the first ingredient is fermented rice water, so it's literally the texture of water. The majority of the formula is fermented rice. I'm about to convince Patrick that this is gonna be his favorite product in the line.
Really?
This is our hero product.
Drip it? Why?
Because the texture, the way makeup goes on top of it, the way it allows your makeup to just melt in.
All right, so we're gonna drip it then. I always like to put products like this, like really on like the high points of the face where you want that extra shine, the extra glow. So like the peak of the forehead, on the high points of the cheekbones, and then right onto the other side as well.
And this is something you can mix this in with anything to give an extra boost of glow.
You guys, we are going to whip it. Now with my like young age, like I personally feel whenever I am looking for moisturizers, I want moisturizers that are really gonna allow me to see a difference within like my foundation. And this really just locks in that moisture.
How old are you?
I'm not gonna tell you. And I'm gonna let the skin kind of soak the product in itself. Obviously, do this with your hands, but for me, I'm not gonna touch my hands all over her face. I put a little bit underneath the eyes already. I'm gonna let a lot soak just because Mikayla has dry skin, as she says, not me. I am going to let it just soak there so my foundation just like melts into the skin. It is very important for me to do skincare after the eyebrows too, because it just allows me to have like a dry surface, so I'm not like doing too much. Okay, my absolute all-time favorite, Amp It. So I think I have this in my pocket right here. Maybe I don't, but I have it in my pocket. I had it in my pocket last night.
So you're saying best lip treatment you've ever tried?
Honestly, it's thin, it's moisturizing, it's comfortable. What else could you want? So prep the lips before we apply any of the makeup, just so it really allows your skin to soak it in, your lips to get like nice and supple, so there's no lines when you put that lip on.
Have you ever had mango bingsu?
I've had bingsu, but not mango. How have you had mango bingsu?
In Korea.
Oh no, I forgot.
That's
Korea.
that's why I did the mango bingsu flavor. Because it's made in Korea. Look at the glass skin, are you kidding? Skin prep's done, right? Oh.
Dry her down so the foundation doesn't like just like blend all in. You know, you want to let it set.
You would laugh at me. I brought this fan with me and I couldn't figure out how to open it.
Because it's so hot in this room right now.
No, it is not. But watch, how do you do this? How do you pop the fan?
You got a gay man to show you.
Don't get it. Oh wait.
Yeah.
Oh, see, I can't do it, guys.
Oh.
Some things you can do, some things you can't. It's okay.
Okay, the skin is prepped. Now prepare for my makeup to look the best it's probably ever looked.
Oh my god, the pressure.
The pressure, it's on.
Okay, let's add a little bit of eyeshadow primer on. I always like to focus a lot of the eyeshadow more towards the end of the eye. That's where the blending is gonna happen. So I'm gonna start off with this shade right here. This is from my medium palette. Have you tried it?
I like the light one.
The light one?
So it's my first time with the medium. I'm excited.
God. So I'm just gonna put this right into the crease. Okay, you guys, that is just this shade right now. I'm gonna go in
This
with
is
this.
one shade?
That's one shade. I'm gonna go in with this deeper shade right here, like a little more like chocolatey, more warm.
And what brush is this?
Just into the outer crease. This is from like Vidalium Tools. I've had this like in my kit for like God knows how long. All right, you guys, I'm going to make it sharp.
Sharp.
Sharp. You hear that? All right, so I'm gonna put a little bit of these two shades right here just onto the center. Just to kind of brighten it up a little bit. How are we feeling so far?
I mean, if this is how I'm looking already, oh my god.
Will you zoom in a little bit and show them the eyes so far? What do you guys think? And what do you think? I think it looks really lifted, elongated, and gorgeous. But I'm gonna put a little bit of When the Sun Sets. I wanna like put it very scattered. When you applied this, you did it like very opaque. I like to be like very twinkly, like
Okay,
almost
little-
like not even there, you
A
know?
little tap.
Like a little 1, 2, like.
And you like to use a brush.
Yeah, so I'm just have you close your eyes. And just like a little 1, 2 tap. It looks prettier in person than it
giving
does.
nothing.
I know. Mark my word.
You're not filming.
Mark my words, when people see this in person, like, oh my god, like when you're blinking, it just looks so beautiful.
They're gonna say, what is that?
What the fuck is that? All right, so the eyes are finished. I'm gonna do a little bit of foundation now. I'm using my Major Skin foundation. I think that you like this foundation, so I hear. All right, so I always like to lay my foundation really thin out onto a plate. And I'm gonna take my 5-in-1 sponge. Just apply this onto the skin. I'm gonna put it all over the face. I'm not putting too much underneath the eyes.
Does it appall you that I use like 4 pumps? I use 4 pumps.
No, it doesn't appall me. Nothing appalls me. So we're doing, I'm gonna be using She's Sculpted and She's Bronze just because we want it to be, I don't know what that was, but that, you know? Wow, I'm just so, you know, I just love it. The sun's like in our eyes, like the sun's in our face. It's changing my color of my video, but bronze, not bronzed. A little bit on this side. I like to bring my blush all the way into my under eye. All right, we are going to set the under eyes first. All right, so I'm gonna add a little bit of bronzer just right onto all the areas that we contoured. All right, I'm gonna put on a little bit of powder blush now. Welcome, Demetrius.
Hello, hello. Wow, look at this makeup.
You guys, she's like full beat down to the gods.
So this is Contour It. This is an extreme wear, waterproof, transfer proof lip liner.
Boom. You guys, that is the finished look. What do you guys think? What do you think?
I'm not even Mikayla.
She's not even thinking.
I know.
Bye. Bye, guys.